Ma'am, you're Maria Garza?
Yes.
And did you get someone hired, Miss Garza?
No, ma'am.
Did you talk to some lawyers?
Yes, I spoke to James Porter, Katie Marcus, and Gregory Jackson.
Okay. And so where are you on being able to get someone hired, do you think? Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I'm self-employed.
Doing what?
Food?
What?
Food?
Food?
Food, yes.
Okay. What do you mean food?
Like tamales, moles.
This right here is a classic courtroom moment, when a judge isn't being rude, just precise. Food isn't a job description the court can work with. Judges need clarity because income directly affects whether someone qualifies for a court lawyer or not. Let me ask you, do you think the court is being patient here or already losing patience?
Okay.
Like happy.
Okay. So, is that full time?
No.
Notice what the judge just did. This is a lifeline. Resetting the case gives the defendant time, but it also comes with homework. Proof of income, proof of effort. Miss this step, and next time, the tone changes fast. Would you be ready to walk back in with receipts?
Okay. So you probably need to get out and get some work so that you can pay an attorney. Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to reset your case one more time. You need to try to get someone hired before the next court date, or at least talk to 3 others. And also, I want you to bring me some proof of any kind of documentation of what your income is, what you've done to try to make more income, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that reset. Good morning. Give me just a second, sir. You are John Tat Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Taylor, it's very important that you are on time to court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to recall the bond forfeiture. Let me find it here.
Yes, I live out Fort Worth, and I called and told them I was on my way, but I was traffic.
Okay, that's fine. So this is your initial appearance, Mr. Taylor, in cause number 25 DCCR 1427. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards, and that's from July 17th of 2025. Your indictment alleges
This is where things get serious. When a judge warns about raising bond, that's not a scare tactic, it's leverage. Ignore a court order, and freedom gets more expensive, or disappears. Drop a comment. Do you think this warning is fair or too harsh?
a couple of prior offenses. Since you have made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
No.
So what I'm going to do, Mr. Taylor, is reset your case for about 30 days or so to give you some time to try to get a lawyer hired. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what you need to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you your reset notice, please. Good morning, sir. You're Dontrell Scott?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 0504. Mr. Scott's charged with official oppression, and what is the announcement?
Judge, State and I have been discussing this in depth. I'm going to be applying for a pretrial conversion for Mr. Scott.
Okay.
And so we can get that done. I've got to get obviously some package material together for him, and then I'll be writing that letter and make an application.
So let's do maybe 45, 60-ish since we've got the holidays. If you'll get that filed quickly, I know that'll
I will, Your Honor.
take them a little bit also with the different things coming up. Mr. Scott, any issues, Mr. Smith? Mr. Scott, stay in touch with Mr. Johnson. He'll let you know when you need to be back.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You're free to go. Thank you, Mr.
Good to see you,
Johnson.
Judge. Thank you.
You too. And that's for pretrial diversion. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Catherine Castillo?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Pageant, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Castillo, in cause number 24, DCCR 2458, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more, from October 10th of 2024. The indictment alleges you were previously convicted of driving while intoxicated April 11th of 2013, and then again April 22nd of 2015. And how do you plead to that charge? And are those prior convictions true?
Yes.
Did you enter your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And did you plead guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Mr. Padgett?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 10-year term in prison, but that would be probated. You'd be on probation for 5 years. You would be ordered to pay a $500 fine and follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, and that includes that 10-day mandatory upfront time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objections to states one, Your Honor.
And also, it's admitted, also as a part of this agreement, the state is going to dismiss cause number 24, DCCR 2457, correct?
And there's a misdemeanor case as well.
Okay, and also the misdemeanor case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any evidence that Ms. Castillo is not competent?
None, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we will come back later for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today, and she's sitting at that desk right there. Okay? We'll see you
Thank
back
you,
at
Your Honor. May I be
sentencing.
excused?
Yes, sir. Good morning. You're Brian Battle.
Good morning, ma'am.
And Mr. Battle, did you get someone hired?
I've filled out the paperwork about that.
I'm sorry?
You told me to reach out to 3.
Right. Were you able to get anyone hired?
I don't know.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to James R. Neckin, PC, the attorney at law. I talked to Benjamin Jeffries, the Hertz Kelly law firm. And then I also talked to the law office of Brittany A. Holmes.
Okay, so where do you think you're going to be able to get anyone hired?
Possibly.
Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you work?
I work at Cheddar's.
Okay, so thank you for doing what I asked you to. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Be sure you fill it out accurately and completely, because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, say on the front of the folder. Good morning, are you Trinity Bell? And Ms. Bell, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1381. Sorry, my computer's going slow. Is it? Okay. You're charged with a second-degree felony offense of assault of a peace officer, and that's from September 5th of 2025. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? All right, so what I'm going to do, Ms. Bell, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to see if you can get someone hired. If you get a lawyer hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.